Watch how I built this bilingual real estate AI assistant using BotPress and Make.com, an intelligent agentic system that collects, validates, qualifies, and scores leads automatically without any human intervention. It starts with a simple welcome message. Then the user chooses a language, English or Spanish, and the conversation adapts instantly. From there, the chat moves into an autonomous node. This is where the AI takes over and starts acting like a smart intake assistant. The agent follows clear instructions that define how it should talk, what it should ask, and how it should react. Instead of dumping a long form, it collects information naturally, step by step. It asks whether the user wants to rent or buy, where they're looking, what type of property they want, how many bedrooms they need, their budget, their timeline, and how to contact them. If the user wants to buy, it also checks financing readiness. As the conversation unfolds, the agent validates answers in real time. When the user shares multiple details at once, the agent understands everything and only asks what's missing. Before moving forward, it shows a quick summary and asks for confirmation. Once the details are confirmed, the system switches to an agent focused purely on qualification and scoring. This agent works quietly in the background. It reads the data, checks whether the lead fits the service area, applies different rules for rent and buy requests, and calculates a score from 0 to 10. Based on that score, the lead becomes hot, warm, or cold. If a location looks unclear, the agent doesn't guess. It uses the search knowledge card, which is connected to a knowledge base connected to Wikipedia, and maps neighborhoods to the correct New York boroughs. After scoring the lead, the system sends the data to Make.com via the execute code card. From there, everything happens automatically. The Make.com workflow receives the lead info via a webhook, then the info gets saved in Google Sheets, and a Slack notification goes out immediately to the real estate team. There are 3 Slack channels, one for hot leads info, one for warm leads, and one for cold leads, so the team always knows what deserves attention first. While all of this runs behind the scenes, the conversation keeps flowing, where the AI transition card notices the lead temperature, sends to the user a final message based on their lead status, and the chat closes cleanly. The assistant works in both English and Spanish. Even when the conversation happens in Spanish, the system stores everything in English and keeps track of the language used. The result is a fully automated lead intake and qualification system that feels natural to the user and useful to the business.